how to get started with Copilot Pro for finance. As you might know, yesterday, the 15th of January of 2024, Copilot Pro has been announced by Microsoft. And basically, now for around $20 per month, you are able to have Copilot, the Copilot AI, directly within Excel, PowerPoint, and multiple other Office applications. This is a game changer for finance. So, how to get started? Well, I suggest you to start by trying a very simple analysis, and we're going to do it together. So, once you do have Copilot enabled, you will see basically when you open an application like Excel, like right now, this new icon that appear of Copilot. When you click on it, in the right side, you will see a new pane, the Copilot preview. Copilot will be helping you to do all of your financial analysis. Now, there's a few things to bear in mind. The first one is that Copilot works with Excel tables. So in here we have the data that we want to analyze. We have dates, week numbers, month, some names, just like dummy names, hours work, departments. I will go and select the table. So basically all the data. Now, as you might see, whenever I selected all of this, already Copilot told me convert if I want to convert this data range to a table. So I'll click here, convert, and then without doing anything on the left side on actual Excel, Copilot is basically doing everything for me, and then it's already converting this into a table. Now it's telling me what do I need, what do I want to do. So let's say that I want to show data insights. Copilot will go and analyze my data automatically. The very first thing that it did was to creating a pivot chart that shows some insights about the data on hours worked. Let's click again, and can I see another insight? So now it created another pivot chart that shows hours worked by department. I'll do one more, and it's creating frequency of hours worked. One more, and then some insights. So, for example, in week number 28, the hours worked increases quite a bit. One more, and then as you can see, the charts are getting better and better. So this time it's showing hours worked by department, and it's telling me that in June, accounting has noticeably higher hours worked. One more insight. So in May, week number 19 and 18 have higher hours worked. So now let's go and add all of these insights to the grid. What this means is that basically in just a matter of a couple of minutes that you have been seeing this video, Copilot has helped us to create some sort of already kind of a dashboard visualization in Excel with all of these insights. So it created these 6 graphs that I have been mentioning. It created some pivot table sources for the charts, all in less than 5 minutes. I'll be posting more videos about how to get started with Copilot Pro, and hope you are as excited as me to start with this adventure of using AI in finance.